Registering for the Niki live streaming app, a step-by-step guide by Niki. Live is a popular live streaming app that offers a platform for content creators and viewers to interact in real time. Whether you're interested in streaming your own content or simply want to watch others, registering for the app is the first step. Here's a comprehensive guide on how to get started with Niki Live. 1. Download the app platform availability. Niki Live is available on both iOS and Android platforms. You can download it from the App Store for iPhone users or Google Play Store for Android users. Installation. Once downloaded, install the app on your device and ensure you have a stable internet connection. 2. Create an account sign-up options. Niki Live offers multiple sign-up options. You can create an account using your email address, phone number, or by linking your existing social media accounts such as Facebook, Google, or Apple ID. Phone verification. If you choose to sign up with your phone number, you'll receive an OTP, one-time password, to verify your number. Enter the OTP to proceed. Email verification. For email sign-up, a verification link will be sent to your inbox. Click the link to verify your email address. 3. Setting up your profile. Username and profile. Picture. After account creation, you'll be prompted to choose a username and upload a profile picture. Select a username that reflects your identity on the platform. The profile picture can be a personal photo or an avatar. Bio and interests. You can also fill out your bio and select interests that help personalize your experience on Niki Live. This information helps the app recommend streams and content that align with your preferences. 4. Exploring the app. Home feed. Once your profile is set up, you'll be directed to the home feed. This is where you can explore various live streams happening around the world. The app's algorithm will suggest content based on your interests and viewing history. Following creators. To stay updated with your favorite content creators, follow them by tapping the follow button on their profile or during their live streams. This ensures you get notifications whenever they go live. 5. Going live starting your own stream. If you're interested in streaming, tap the Go Live button. You'll need to allow the app to access your camera and microphone. You can set a title for your stream, choose a category, and start broadcasting to your audience. Interaction tools. During your stream, you can interact with viewers through comments and virtual GIFs. Engaging with your audience is key to building a loyal following on Niki Live. 6. In-app purchases and Gift-in-G virtual currency. Niki Live offers virtual currency that users can purchase and use to send gifts to their favorite streamers. This is a way for viewers to show support and for creators to earn money. Purchasing coins. You can buy coins through the app using various payment methods, including credit, debit cards, or mobile wallets. Make sure to check for any in-app promotions that might offer discounts or bonuses. 7. Privacy and security account settings. Niki Live allows you to customize your privacy settings. You can control who can view your streams, comment on your content, and send you messages. Reporting and blocking. If you encounter any inappropriate content or users, the app has features to report or block them. This helps maintain a safe and respectful community. 8. Support and community guidelines. Customer support (ATT). If you run into any issues while using Niki Live, the app offers customer support through in-app messaging or email. There's also an FAQ section that addresses common questions. Community guidelines. Familiarize yourself with Niki Live's community guidelines to ensure your content complies with the platform's rules. Violating these guidelines can result in temporary or permanent account suspension. Conclusion. Registering on Niki Live is a straightforward process that opens up a world of live streaming possibilities. Whether you're there to watch, interact, or create, the app offers a robust platform that caters to diverse interests. Take your time to explore its features, and don't hesitate to engage with the community. Happy streaming!